Hello and welcome to Greeting Star. Today I'm going to show you how to use a PNG image in Word, alter its background so that you can change the color to print it out. Today I'm going to show you how to use a PNG file and print it out on your computer, but I'm going to show you how to alter it in Word. So what you want to do is you want to open your Word document, which you can see I have here, and I'm just going to insert that file. So I'm going to click Insert at the top menu, click on Pictures, and then navigate to where I have my picture saved. And you can see here it's this wallpaper that I created using the free open source software Inkscape. I'm going to insert it. Now I have this. Now what I need to do is I want to put a colorful background behind it. So I'm going to go ahead and go over here to my insert menu again, and I'm going to click Shapes and then this rectangle shape right here. And then I'm just going to draw it. And it can be any size, it doesn't matter, because what I'm going to do then is make sure that it's selected. So if I click over here, it's not selected anymore. So I want to make sure it's selected. Click Format, and then go over here to where it says height, and I'm going to type a 6 and then hit my tab key and type a 6 again, and then hit my tab key again, and now it's a 6 by 6. But let me go ahead and click off of it so I can show you something. You may not be able to see it, but there is an outline that's called a stroke. And what I want to do is click on it again and click this shape outline and click no outline because I don't want an outline. Now this picture behind it is the one that I inserted. This is the image that I created, my wallpaper that I want to use, or I can print it out and use it for scrapbooking or card making or whatever I want to do with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm also going to change its size to match. So I'm going to just change that to 6 by 6. So I'm going to type 6 on my keyboard, hit my tab key, type 6 again, hit my tab key. And now I want to align these so they are exactly aligned with each other. So I'm going to click one of them, hold down my shift key and click the image behind it. Actually, it's not working. There we go. Let's try to do it the other way and click both of them. Let's just do this. I'm going to line it by eye because that wasn't working. Okay, so now I need to, actually, let's move that out of the way. I'm going to click this one here, and I'm going to go Format again. And what I want to do is wrap the text, and I want it to be in front of text. There we go. Now that's in front. So now I'm going to see if I can choose both of these to align them. There we go. So I'm going to click Format, and I'm going to click Align, and I'm going to click Align Center. Align again, align middle. There we go. Now they're perfectly paired, and if I print that out, I'll have some, I can do some background paper. Now, if you didn't like that blue color, let's go ahead and change the color. So I'm going to click Format, Shape Fill, and I'm going to choose more fill colors, and I want this to be more of like a pinkish color. And I don't want it to be extreme. I want it to be more muted. I don't want it to be very vibrant or saturated. So I'm going to pull that down here to a, and you can do purple or you can do pink. I'm going to do more of a pinkish color. Okay, there we go. I think that matches those pink flowers beautifully. Now again, I'm going to select both of them, go up to the Format menu, click Align, Align Center, align middle, and there we go. And now I can just print that out and I'll have that paper to use on my cards or my scrapbooking. Thanks for watching and have a great day.